961, the sound of the streets, the vibe machine. Ishmael, the Demolition Man. Yeah, we here till 3 o'clock. Special guest in studio.
Yeah.
Yeah, some brothers here. Straight out of NYC.
I know, man. Yeah.
Well, they run away from the cold.
We run away from the cold.
It's good.
I even knew it was going to snow. I was done, yeah, ready.
You here a long time?
I come Friday, fresh.
Yankey Boy in the building.
Yes.
Shouts to my brother Rayzor.
Blue Soap Man here.
Yes, what's going on? Out of the request band as well. Blue Soap, this year?
Blue Soap this year.
So what's going on, fellas?
Well, everything good.
Yeah?
Just come to unite and, drop the music and thing, and you must say the Blue Soap. But this first I got big up my brother Orlando Active, Ola Tonji, Aston Isaac, Ricky Jai, for supporting me on this Blue Soap rhythm instrumental thing.
So, the Blue Soap originated, this was your idea?
Yeah.
All right, tell us how it came about.
Well, I'm moving my brethren, I'm Aston Isaac, and I get the rhythm from this guy named Parry Jack last year.
All right.
This year, a matter of fact, early in the year. And, he say, yo, listen to this rhythm. So same time I was in the car going to South to do a show, I was with Aston Isaac.
Right.
I say, Aston, listen to this. He said, wait, boy, that bit of a jumbie in it. So the first thing comes to my head when you hear jumbie, how to get rid of it? Blue soap. Yeah. So all we do is just drive and blue soap and more that. Everybody go beat them. That is how we are. And I had nothing. I said, boy, better make this stick. I said, me and you, we could do a collab now for the first time. We always did. We say, yeah, why not? We say, let make something different and so kind of. I said, well, guess what? Me and Orlando octave real good. Let me hit him up right now on WhatsApp. Orlando.
Right.
He ain't hear the song, he ain't hear nothing. He just say, Yankee, I like that concept, but it's spiritual. You know that the kind of vibes you on.
Bringing that conscious vibe.
Right. Yeah. So he said, all right, Yankee, you feel you alone on numbers. Let me call Ola. Call Ola one time. Ola say, yeah, boy, let me know we ready. I said, all right, we need one more.
Somebody think spread.
Yeah, I said, all right. Let me get somebody different. Who they'll never think we line with.
Right.
Ricky Jack. Yeah, Yankee, why not? Boom. Easy, call up everybody.
Right.
Boom. Since we say, all right, we're going to do it now. Since in July, this thing planning. I say, I'll catch everybody when everybody in shows out in the US. I know how to go and learn, go on YouTube, get my laptop, learn how to record and record Orlando in a hotel.
So wait.
It's real. Yeah, real thing went down.
Production. You deal with the production yourself?
And that recording vocals.
All right.
Brethren Rayzor here, we drive all, drive 7 hours to go and meet Ola Tunji in Virginia. Recording in a hotel and all. Going back all the way down Boston. Had to meet up with Ricky Jai now. Yes, it was real. Because at the end of the day, it's about the mix and the master. The people who you give that now is what they're going to do with it.
Of course, yeah.
That is the important part of the music.
But you did the groundwork.
Yeah, I did the groundwork.
Literally the groundwork. Look at the hours you say you put in on the road just to make sure you got exactly what you had in mind, what you was looking for.
How we vision it.
Yeah.
Everybody do their part. Everything was good. Aston Isaac, good writer again, write down everything. Plus, everybody put in their little impact and their little input with their own
style. Of course, but their own style, their own vibe. It brings the energy to the track.
And it was real love and just unity, and I just keep it moving. And of course, I was bringing Rayzor my every year.
I know that, for sure.
Right, so I say, all right. Rayzor all get on the rhythm, and he didn't even know how he end up on it. It was just so family.
This and all the rhythm. There's another couple rhythms to me, and I just ended up choosing this one.
Right.
And just relaying to Yankee, just like, you're on that rhythm, and I don't know all
well, me
what
tell
you
him nothing, just laugh.
He didn't know all that what went into it.
Yeah, I got you with them separately.
Right.
No, they told me to check Yankee. Yankee sent me a bunch of rhythms what he got, and I ended up choosing that one.
That's a good choice.
Same with him, that's a good choice, and I just got.
I mean, tell him nothing, because everything was just stay on the low for me. I just want to do everything just secretly. I released no song for the summer. Everybody want to know why Yankee ain't dropping nothing.
Right.
What going on? Style not your style. What going on?
But they know you had that work in the lab.
We had things just working in the lab.
Bubbling.
Right. Things was just working on the low. I ain't put up no pictures with me and none of my artist friends and them because I want to know why this week. Yeah, something connected because when summertime comes, they don't look for my hashtag to see what he gonna do. So
what's the plan?
Right. So I catch everybody shake, come down, drop it, bam. And I doing real good in Guyana. Even St. Vincent more better right now.
Yeah, the vibe they're lit. It lit.
We in St. Vincent evidence.
People believe in that blue. So I see it, you have it in your hand right now.
Must walk with the blue.
For those of you who listening right now, you can check the interview later on the Ojo TTRN YouTube channel. The man have the blue soap in hand. He's not playing.
Not playing. It's reality. It's real. And big up the blue soap man now. They know he just born last night. And started doing things, so let's go see him surfacing.
All right.
Yeah, the Blue Soap Man out there right now.
The Blue Soap Man?
Yeah. You gonna clean up all last night, down on the beach, all up in hell yard, all different places where everybody can go. You know, we have access to certain places and things. So it's positive vibes and positive energy too.
And that's what we need, not just here in TNT, but all over.
All over.
Or look at speak for New York City.
I
mean, look
what happened today too.
Look at the madness this morning at the bus terminal. So you know, we just give thanks that no one lost their life.
True.
During that incident, and we just we had to pray for peace worldwide, for real.
But you on the good side too, you know. You have on blue headphones. Yeah. That is cut, you know.
Well, you see, where's the color? You see the most in the studio right now.
I realize that too.
Come Yankee, man. Yeah. Well, yeah, what? Let's get to that track because we know we have more to deal with.
Yeah.
Yankey Boy in studio, Rayzor. We live on the Ocho. It's all about the blues song. How we go?
Blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them. Bid the name and blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bring the bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring all the water that we were getting down. Bid them.
And real talk, there are many people out there need a good blue so bad.
No,
It's real. It's real.
Reality.
It hit home for many.
Yeah.
Let me go.
Blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them. Bid the name and blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring all the water and we wet them down. Drop all the water and we wet them down. Bring all the water and we wet them down. And we go bid them. Bring all the water and we wet them down. Drop all the water and we wet them down. Bring all the water. On to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them. Bid the name and blues up and water. Everybody go. I want everybody to listen to reality. Listen to reality. It has some girl can't keep a man.
Bid them.
It has some man in and out of jail.
Bid them.
You think I lie? Some thief from the mother, some thief from the child. Breaking the law, but they still running wild. Run, get the bucket, hand me the soap. We made it all them for spot. We made it blues up and water.
Yes. Reality.
It's reality.
Some people listening right now, they know they need a blue so bad. They say, that's what I need. And I set things right.
Yeah, man. But it went good last night. Going good. You see, I don't lose my voice too as well.
I was about to say.
I reached home 6 o'clock this morning. Only to wake up and go. Bunch of radio station across the nation. So we move in.
Well, it's all about the promotion. You have to get out there, touch base with the people. I know we're glad to have you here on the Ocho.
All the time.
Blue sub.
It has some girl can't keep a man. Bid them. It has some man in and out of jail. Bid them. Some thief from the mother and the thief from the child.
Breaking the law, but they still running wild. Run, get the bucket, hand me the soap. We made it all love us, but we them in blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them. Bid the name in blues up and water. And when they see a come up at Orlando, tell them. Gambling problem. Hold them and bid them. Real talk.
Real.
Hold them and bid them. What you say? Hold them and bid them. Blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them. Blues up and water. Everybody go bed. Bid them.
They're drinking rum and they're falling down.
Bid them.
But they know that they're getting hard.
Bid them.
And they go bed.
Spray them, water hose, bid, soak them, cut the clothes and bid them. Yankee bringing blues up, Ezel bringing water. Everybody go bid. Demolition go bid them. Yankee bringing blues up, Ezel bring water. Everybody go bid. Ocho world, we go bid them. We go with them down. Vibes. I love it.
Yankee Boy, Orlando Octave in the mix. Ricky Jai, Olatunji. Shouts to Aston Isaac as well.
Yes, my brother. Well, look.
Rayzor, just tell us quickly about your track on the rhythm.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah,
well,
yeah. Tell us about your track and rhythm.
First of all, I get the track up in here. Yeah.
That coming is family.
Yeah, man.
I get the track up in here. But yeah, the name of it is called Glitters and Feathers. It's all about the experience on the road. It's all about people working hard all year just for that moment, you know, just to come out. And
Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, especially people who coming from all over the world.
Of course. Yeah, that's the experience at Trent Begonian Carnival.
Yeah, man.
You know, there's the Mecca, and a lot of people, they know they work hard all year, they save their money. That's the only vacation time. Yeah. Just for Carnival.
Only vacation time. So that's why we say, there is nothing to replace the smile on your face when you're having a time. The way you're walking up your waist and you're mashing up the place, memories of your mind. What we say? All over the world people are coming in, cause the carnival love is genuine. Masculine whining with feminine, look at melanin. Ezel and allegiance to my heart, to always do my part. Can't wait for carnival to start. On the rhythm say, down the road, with glitters and feathers, down the road, my sisters and brothers, down the road, jamming one another, down the road, walking up, down the road, walking up non-stop, down the road. So that kind of vibe, man. Down the road is all about.
Don't know, big up.
So we will get up in here, man.
All right, so let's talk about the track that you guys did together.
Collab, yeah,
the collaboration. Throw powder. Well, I see you walk with your face mask.
I get serious now.
My brother, he ain't no powder in the back there. Go easy, it's not Juve time. Yankey Boy, you know, yeah.
We had that kind of money. Well, I know I don't.
You have too much expensive equipment up there.
I was about to say now. You know how to protect the facility. You understand?
Then I say, boy, to come and clean up all that. I had to get on walk.
I know the boss say go tell him, well, Yankee, you go stay and clean it. So throw powder, Juve vibes.
Juve vibes with power with Juve vibes.
Well, power, you know, I don't really in the power zone, but now I feel it's the right time and the right vibes. I said this is the year because normally I just drop slow music.
True.
And now since we drop the Blue Sub Rhythm, it was on a BPM of 130. I can't go down. I had to only go up.
You're going up the road.
I had to go up. And I say, boy, I get us next to them. D-Man's music out of Barbados again. They listen to the chords and the strings and everything is live.
Some live instruments.
This musician, I think it's Crossfire. One of them and they just play with.
Okay.
You know, I want to mix up them to get it wrong. But D-Man's music, them is the one who do that.
D-Man's music.
Yeah, them do that boat rocking for me last year too as well. All right. You know, so they're real good, real talented. Where's that talk now? You lost my voice. It's powder in my throat right now.
Is it powder?
It's powder.
It's short eyes.
Powder.
Yeah, man. So we focus on the power, as he said, you know, because we had the Blue Soap with them out and stuff. So we say power, you know, but then we want to bring back not just the BPM power, but we want to bring back, you know, the elements of what made power so great now.
Understand.
What made it so Monarch and these other events so fantastic that the world was attracted to it. You know, the women on the shoulders of the men, the big flags, and you know, we say, all right, we starting with this now, which is the powder posse, because long time we didn't really hear about the powder posse because everything is a set of phone, a set of cell phone, fed something going on.
I fed up on that,
really understand? Artists on stage belting, DJs balling out and thing, and men on the
everybody phone, just studying to record instead of living in the moment.
Yeah.
So, you understand? And that's something, I mean, I know it is the way of the world, but to me, when as I say, artists out there putting out all the energy, all the effort, and you stand up there, phone up. Where's that? Boy, put away your phone. Time to get crazy.
We was heavily influenced with the carnivals that we get booked for around the world.
Right, the diaspora. Yeah, of course.
And we saw that power is very strong out there. You understand? And
very strong. And even for a man like me, as some tunes plenty people know, but it's plenty sing-along music, right? So I say, wait now, something had to be different.
Yeah.
All this sing-along, we need to get this thing moving.
You don't have that one song to take the crowd. You personally don't have that one song that you could take the crowd to a different level.
So that energy.
So you went into the lab with your brethren, and you came out with this. Well, let's get to it.
The streets go talk for itself. The song go talk for itself.
Yankey Boy, Rayzor, let me go.
Who we calling out? Who we calling out? Who we calling? Powder pussy! Powder pussy! Powder pussy! What to do now? Jump on the spot!
Jump out there!
Jump on the spot!
Jump out there!
Just jump on the spot! Just jump on the spot!
Jump up!
Don't in the back!
Jump up!
It's powder attack!
Jump up!
It's up in the front! Just do what you say! Powder pussy, all we run up in front. Powder pussy, give the people what they want. Powder pussy, all you run up in the front. Throw the powder, get it. Where the powder? Start to jump up. Jump on the spot.
Jump out there.
Just jump on the spot.
Jump out there.
Just jump on the spot. Just jump on the spot. Just tongue in the back. front. Just to wire. What we say? Just jump on the spot. Kick up on the spot. Just jump on the spot. Who is that? Jump on the spot. What we taking it? Jump to the back. It's powder. Yankee, what the bus? What the bus? What the bus? What the bus?
I skating and I sliding, powder on the ground, I have my face mask on, head tied down. I saw it for who cleaning up in here. Money on the ground is only powder everywhere.
I ain't come here to stay clean. No, 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 no. Hey, who have the biggest team?
Bring the powder.
Start to jump up in the powder. Where the powder? Just jump on the spot.
Jump powder.
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 Dung in the back.
Jump powder.
It's powder attack.
Jump powder.
It's up in the front.
Jump powder.
We do what we want.
Look, Ezel over this one.
Jump on the spot.
Jump powder.
Just jump on the spot.
Jump powder.
Just jump on the spot.
Jump powder.
Ezel tell them jump on the spot. Dung in the back. Ezel tell them powder attack.
Oh, God.
It's up on the front.
Oh, yeah.
Ishmael, do what they want. Take a breather. Take a breather. Take a breather. Take a breather.
See Ishmael vessel.
Wait.
Let's see Ezel.
Hey! Powder pussy! Where Ishmael pussy?
Bring them up. Bring them up.
What do we say? Powder pussy, only run up in the
Yeah.
front. Powder pussy, give the people what they want. Powder pussy, really powder anyone. Really powder, get it. Where Ishmael? Hey! Just jump on the spot. Just jump on the spot. Ezel tell them jump on the spot. Ezel tell them jump on the spot. Ezel take them down in the back. It's powder attack. Up in the front. Just do what you want. Ezel tell them jump on the spot.
Peace. Energy.
You die energy.
Powder pussy.
Yes,
Well, let's get ready. Juve morning. Martin.
Yeah.
Yankey Boy Rayzor, what's next? Real quick before we wrap up.
Follow Yankey Boy, YANKEYBOY. Social media.
You don't like to loud nothing, eh? You just want to keep them tuned in on the social media. Watch it.
Promotion, more promotion.
Right.
Check me out, RAYZORRQB, RAYZORRQB. It's just promotion, enough promotion. Because you know we do, we here all the time.
Of course, I know you guys always in and out.
You gotta make tracks, real fast tracks.
Let's keep the music coming.
Big up the Blue Soap family, the powder pussy out there right now.
Yeah.
And the people from foreign, local, abroad who supporting down the islands, up the islands.
For real.
Real love. Teamwork make the dream work.
That's what we're talking about. So fellas, looking forward to seeing you all again. Be safe out there.
Yeah, man.
And keep bringing the music.
Thank
Big
you.
respect. Yankey Boy, Rayzor.
Yeah.
And shout to the entire Ojo family.